finally we got some smiles going around.
Yeah.
We got a lot of rain past. We should be doing leaves today, honestly, but the rain just washed us out for the day. Look where we're at. This doesn't look familiar because no one's seen it yet. This is on a new property.
Yeah.
You know what I forgot?
What?
I forgot the ladder to get up onto the roof.
Yeah.
But okay, besides that, this is our new property. Take a look at the window. It says for sale. We are going to rip that down the second we get in because it's not for sale anymore. It's ours.
Yeah.
This is going to be our new workshop for fixing all of the stuff that we got, all the buying and all the auction stuff that we do. This is an old Luke Oil gas station that's been closed down for about 4 years. You can tell by the red and white. This was a 2-pump with both sides, so like four total pumps. How am I trying to say it? 4 total pumps for gas.
Yeah.
And this hasn't been open in years. It was a former repair shop, and then before that was another repair shop, and they were only in here for a couple years at a time. We're not going to be working on other people's stuff. We're going to be working on our own stuff. So we don't have to worry about bringing business into this particular location for oil changes, brakes, none of that. We're not going to be doing any of that. Maybe we will get into the 7.3 repairs. We will have a lot of requests for people wanting us to redo their 7.3 motors like we did to the black truck right here. With the resealing and the injectors and the oil pan and the whole 9 yards from the video you guys have seen. We said we have to wait till we get a spot. Well, here we go. We'll take a tour inside in just a minute. We want to get the outside done before the rain hits. We'll take a walk around. As you can tell, there's trash everywhere.
It's been abandoned for quite some time.
Yeah, it's overgrown. We didn't bring the whole truck and trailer set up today. We're going to have Papa Zig come help us out with the cleanup, but it's really not that bad. Those trees, another week or two until they're done. The trees in the back are done, and then maybe just a couple random leaves left. But we're going to pick up all the garbage. At some point, we're going to put the guardrail back. It's from probably snow plowing one winter, so we'll probably hit it. And we're just going to weed whack the grass and the weeds and just blow all the leaves over the hill and make the outside pretty clean because it hasn't been touched in a while. Best part's the inside.
We'll get there. Yeah, let's walk this way for a sec, though. So,
well, the best part for us so far is the outside because we don't have storage to store all of our trucks, projects, mowers, quads, you name it. We have this is basically like a large canopy tent, but it's open on the side, so in the summertime we can paint the larger vehicles, machines. We're not bound by rain. We were painting our big loader, or no, we were painting a utility box, and it started to rain in the driveway at the house, which absolutely stunk. We'll be able to, what did we get? A couple inches of rain the past few days?
Yeah.
And look, it's dry under here. So we'll be able to really make good use of this. It's got lighting.
Yeah.
Well, I think we got to replace all the bulbs because I don't think any of these outside bulbs work. Some of them on the actual building do. I don't know. I mean, we've got some cleanup to do. The inside's the best part. And we'll be introducing a new member into our business ventures. Papa Zig is going to be running the lawn maintenance route, just like he has been. We will be, like we said, we were supposed to be doing leaves today. As you can tell, this is what all our properties look like. We needed to get in there and do leaves. But our newest member is my father-in-law, Chris. My wife's father is here, and he's going to be running truck with trailer, going to pick up stuff, all of our different flips, getting his hands dirty a little bit, fixing stuff. But let's go check the inside out.
Yeah.
Let's go to work.
Hey, Chris.
Congratulations, fellas. Congrats.
Good stuff.
We just introduced you as the newest member to the
To
group.
the
Nice to be here.
Yeah.
Nice to be here.
Got a lot of work to do.
Let's check this place out.
Yeah, let's see it.
Oh, it's the right key.
And she said that the heat is on and the water's on.
Okay,
Feels pretty
great.
good in here.
Yeah, it does feel pretty good in here.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
No more
do
for
it.
sale sign.
Not for sale. That the guy's garage.
Two 10,000-pound lifts.
Here we go.
Yeah, this is nice stuff. No more working on the ground anymore.
It does feel good in here. I wonder where
Yeah.
So these are definitely 10,000 pounds? Oh yeah, 10,000 for both of them.
10,000 pounds, right? Yeah, with the, they work.
Yes, it is.
It is hooked up? Oh yeah, they did.
They did.
That's good. Alright, well that's the inside. We gotta get started. With a nice cleanup on the outside. This place has been abandoned for a while. It needs some love. But we'll get it into working order real quick in no time. Well, all these leaves. Standard leaf cleanup, but overgrown weeds. Gutters gotta be done.
I think we forgot the ladder, so we're gonna back up to the roof, right?
Yeah, we're gonna back up to the roof with the pickup.
Yeah, and jump on. I want to blow all the leaves out of the gutters and clean it up.
And then we'll get all these leaves and weeds and crap undone, and then the garage will blow that out. It's all dusty in there.
We brought like the minimum tools that we could.
So we recently just picked up all of this furniture for free, like tables and cabinets and racks and stuff.
I'll start working on the garbage. How's that sound?
Yeah, that's good.
Garbage?
That's
I
perfect.
got the bags over here.
You got bags back there?
Yeah, right here. I'm gonna start with the gutter because we're gonna make a big mess on the ground. So
Yeah, that's good.
those are clogged solid.
All right, I'll back you up.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. Are you gonna be able to get up there?
Yeah. If I stand on the roof.
Don't slip. That back rack's gonna be wet. Don't slip on that thing.
Huh?
Don't slip.
I'm not gonna slip.
Let's see what it looks like up here if I come up.
There's just gonna be
there's
flying everywhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of crap in there. All right. So while Steve's out there working on the gutters, we got Chris is picking up the trash around the property. And like we said, this place has been abandoned now, I think for 4 or 5 years, something like that. And it's it started out as a gas station with a repair shop, and then after that it was another repair shop. I think there's been a couple people in and out of here. The nice part about this is, right, we said in the last video, we're trying to take this whole business endeavor to the next level. We're trying to make sure that we can be as productive as possible, because as we've come to see over this past however many months it's been since we really started doing this stuff, it's made a substantial amount of money. So our goal is to try to maximize our productivity doing this while having the landscape business open, while filming videos, and then if the dumpster business, if the permits ever end up coming back, having all that stuff be one thing, you know, make your time worth it. So we've been doing a lot of this stuff out of the house, in the driveway, laying on our back, turning wrenches, and it's been 150% effort when it could have been 100% effort, if I'm gonna say it that way. So turn behind me, these great big lifts, we were looking for a designated spot to do this stuff. You know, all the space, the overhead space, the shelving in the back, the lifts to pick everything up, no more laying on your back, putting brake lines in. I mean, what a hassle all that was. It was taking time away from us really taking this to the next level. And when me and Steve do a lot of thinking about stuff, of buying these things or working on anything, it's always like, how much time and effort is it actually gonna take, and what are we gonna get in return? You know, like I just mentioned, a brake job. It's easy in theory, but if you're laying on your back or you're putting lines in, rusty lines, you're having rust spray down your face, that takes away from your overall productivity. So coming to this property here is gonna, we feel, is gonna give us the best chance to take this business and blow it out of the roof. You know, with the winter coming, we got four more weeks or so of leaf cleanups, and then we're in here every single day during the week in the winter. I don't think we're gonna do as much snow plowing, and we're gonna focus on really putting our hands to work, because we're really good at this stuff, and we wanna put all the tools that we can, all the resources into just one pot and make it worthwhile while we're doing it. But with that said, let's go see how Steve's making out with the gutters. A little bit. You got this nice truck all dirty.
This is not how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. You need to be safe. And I am not being safe. But I do have life insurance. Hey, whatever gets the job done, right?
Do you want me to weed whack or something?
Yeah. As we blow, we pick the garbage up.
Yeah, I think he got most of the overall stuff, right? We got the whole property cleaned up now. You're gonna spin around, right?
I'm gonna spin. I'm gonna need you to back me into the street.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna pull into the middle so I can just kind of straight. We're gonna have to roll it off.
We got the whole truck unloaded. We only got one more piece to unload, and that's the truck. Look at that, the leaves fell again already. Crazy. They're almost done here anyways though. But that's our cleanup here. Initial move-in, we got some more stuff to bring in another day, but it's already getting late. But yeah, it's looking good.
Okay, you want to put it on the side? You want it inside, Steve? You want to save the bags and stuff, or what do you want?
I'm gonna take one roll home and I'll leave the other roll of trash bags here.
This is good.
And then I just put all.
And what's this? This is just
Alrighty.
Put this on here.
The best part of it is that we only have a 10-minute ride home.
Mm-hmm.
So our first official day in the new place. Let us know what you guys think of it. We did our first cleanup on the place. It really needed it. It was been abandoned.
Yeah, it's crazy. With if Papa's Egg was here with the 2 windstorms and 3 backpack blowers, this would have taken, and it was dry, 3 minutes maybe to clean it up. It took almost a full tank in the Echo.
Yeah, it was all wet leaves. And well, we trimmed a lot of stuff. But I think we're gonna do well here. I really do.
I'm excited.
So we got into this place as a step towards, you know, making this more of a legit thing and having a designated spot to do what we need to do and having the lifts and all that. So I think this is really gonna help us, and we got Chris is helping us out too, so that'll be nice. So he can go make a few trips and save us time and help us with the website and the business and all that. But I think we're in a really good spot. So let us know what you guys think, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.